Today in this video, we will solve a widespread problem when you work with this bucket system, the dirt lock and the scrub wall 360 degrees. Some of you might already know. I think, Sebastian, I know what you're getting at. Let's take a look at it together. You all know the standard 5-gallon buckets. Then there is this ring and the screw cap to make everything splash-proof, so you can transport it better in the vehicle. 2001 water and so on. Now there is the following problem. When we want to use the system with this ring, the screw cap, and the dirt lock, which fits in here, quite nicely. Absolutely no problem. That's how we build it together. And now you've also gotten these walls. Do you have the problem that you can still fit the first walls in very nicely? But the problem is that when you assemble it completely, the system gets completely jammed. This means you can't get it out of the bucket here. This always stays in, dirt collects down here. You can't really rinse it out properly because everything is built up here, which is perfect for the laundry, but a disaster for rinsing. And that's why I'm going to show you a little trick today on how to modify it so that you can still easily take everything out, even though the lid is on. Once again, many greetings to David here from Switzerland, who sent me a video on how he did it to make it so much more comfortable. So greetings go out. Thank you very much again to you. And I have to say, that's a really, really nice idea. Sometimes it can be that simple. You just have to tinker a little. And to make the assembly much easier, take the system out again and reassemble it step by step. So first, just insert it normally into the first row. Take another look from below, then you'll know where to insert the little feet. But that will become clear on its own. Now we have come to the second wall. Just make sure that it is applied very evenly here as well. So, then this slides in here and up here. Bam, we just put it together. With that, we have 180 degrees. Now we come to the third one. We also use them here again, pressing them down properly. This is just the first assembly. Once it is completely assembled, it doesn't need to be taken apart every time. So we are putting it together again here as well. The fourth wall needs to be modified. This means we need to remove this small tab up here and also remove this small tab. This is step number 1. It simply cannot be avoided. For this, take a pair of side cutters and maybe some sandpaper to smooth these edges nicely. And then you can check that again, but it should actually work like this. It looks like this. The nose is off at the front and on the other side as well. And for the small feet down here, you remove the one on the right side. You are basically looking into the scrub wall. So, then it's just the side. I'll show it to you again up close shortly. You need to remove it really smoothly. So, and here, I will show it to you again in detail. It looks like this. So you always look into the curvature, not from behind at the bottom rear area, but always from the front. And you can modify it like this here. Here, we remove this nose. And then again from the other side, 2001. And then just smooth it out a bit for aesthetics with a file or something like that. And now we can put this back into the bucket. Here you have the system once again. I'll do it this way. You should be able to see it quite nicely. And now let's just slide this part down here, looking at the little feet below to make sure they catch the area nicely. 2001. And then you simply push everything down. And now it sits nicely against the wall. Everything is fixed. You can wipe your glove on it. The dirt lock works as always. And if you want to release it again, here is the whole system. Find your modified wall side again and pull it up a little. Just here with the 3 holes. It will come loose. And then you just need to pull it a bit around the edge. I have to reach around the camera here. Just pull it around the edge a little and you can take it out. And now I will show you this from the side as well. You bend the 2 sides a bit together so that you can get past the ring at the top and then you can remove everything. The same thing again in the other direction so you can see that it goes very quickly once you have practiced it. Put it in from the bottom, snap, and done. Problem solved. Oh, and when it's pushed down nicely, you can just place the lid on top, nice and straight, and screw it on. 2001, all together. Perfect. And thanks again to David here. Greetings to Switzerland for this wonderful tip. I hope I could help you out once more. Now you have it again in a larger video format. If you have any questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Now, I wish you a lot of fun with this new modified system, and with that, you'll be able to get everything out of the bucket. Sebastian, what a pity.